If you want to join TikTok and start exploring or posting, here's how you can quickly create a brand new account. Super simple and just takes a minute. First, open TikTok's official site. For that, open your browser, navigate to your search engine, and just go to tiktok.com. Now tap on the profile icon, usually at the bottom right. Now tap on the three lines menu icon at the top right and tap sign up. Now you can choose how you want to sign up, with phone or email, or using your Google, Facebook, Apple or Twitter account. Let's pick the email option for this demo. Simply enter your email address and tap continue. Create a strong password and continue. Enter your birth date and continue. And create a nickname. This can be anything. For now, I will just simply go with my name and tap continue. And yes, that's it. You're officially on TikTok. Once you are in, you can customize your profile, add a photo, and start following creators or post your very first video. That's how easy it is to create a TikTok account. If this video helped, give it a like and follow for more quick tech tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.